Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you are seeing this face for the first time, then hi, I am Aishwarya from Kolkata, and it's a swatch video. So if you want to see directly the swatches, then here's the time. Just check out the swatches, and if you have already subscribed to my channel, then you don't have to do anything else. Just please like, comment and share if you have liked this video, and if you're new, then please subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell button below to get notification whenever I upload any more videos. So before proceeding with the video, here's the thing that everyone, I mean, we really have that one kind of red lipstick in our mind, but we ended up buying something else. So that happened to me a lot of times. So I have purchased so many different red lipsticks, but I couldn't find my favorite one. So this is the video I thought about. Why not I try to show you my favorite red lipsticks I have currently in my collection, and to help you out, and maybe you'll get a match for yourself and for your kind of red lipstick you have wanted from so long. So this is the video, and that's it. Subscribe to the channel, like, comment and share, and let's get into the swatches directly. That single line you are seeing has been made by one single swipe, so you can see the real pigmentation, and that heart sign actually made by 2 or 3 swipes. It's a brick red kind of a shade, and it has brown undertone, so it's suitable for any Indian skin tone. It is actually creamy matte formula. Guys, 2 things I need to tell you. That first one, complexion, our lip color actually matters. If this lipstick is looking like this on me, maybe it don't look like this on you as well. So it may differ from woman to woman. So please try to understand that I have applied concealer beneath, so I can give you the actual the perfect true color, true shade of that lipstick. So I have tried my best, but it will differ. Basically it's a blue toned red, but it's a creamy matte formula, so it will look eventually matte after an hour or 2 hours. So it's not even a problem, but it will look very flattering on fair to dusky skin tones, but mostly fair to medium skin tones. It's a blue toned red, and it has no mattifying formula, so it's highly shiny and creamy. It's very lightweight to wear, and also it adds a little glow and very shine to your face. It helps your teeth to look even brighter. It's one of my favorite lipstick. To be honest, this one is actually on a drying side, so you should apply a lip balm underneath. Otherwise, it's a cool brown toned red. I mean, it has some warm undertone as well, so basically it's perfect for fair to dusky skin tones, and dusky skin tone will look amazing with this shade. I generally use this lip color as my lip liner, but it's a really nice mauvish red kind of a shade, and it's perfect for fair to medium skin tones. Trust me, my lips are gonna curse me today. It's so painful, but it doesn't matter. It may looks like a pink shade, but it's not. It's actually in the middle of red and pink. So I thought about why not I include this if someone doesn't like that glowy or that kind of firecracker red. So that's why I have added this. It's a soft, sweet pinkish red. This is one of my favorite shades. This is the hot red kind of a shade. You can compare this shade with anything like MAC Ruby, somewhat like looks like this actually. So it's amazing and it's perfect for any kind of Indian skin tone. So friends, that's it. I have almost watched 7 lipsticks, and seriously my lips are in pain, a damn pain. So anyway, I'll be very pleased, really I'll be very pleased if you have found your perfect kind of red lipsticks. I am searching for that till now, for my kind of red lipstick. Anyway, so till then, take care, taras, and see you soon. Bye bye.